Hey, are you waiting for this premiere? Of course, it's Honor of Games. It's a new game. So, we're playing Honor of Games. Today, we're playing Classic Mode. And then we have our new guest here. A new hero, by the way. Nua. Yeah, so... let's get in on playing. Woohoo! For a split second. This is gonna be a fun match. Please hurry up. I wanna be.
You are in the mid lane.
Okay, I'm in the middle. Mid lane. Okay, so time for
When
move.
history has nothing left but sin, it must be erased and started over.
So we're just gonna wait for the others to finish. You know, it's too hard to wait from them. They're just they're done already. Well, that was quick. Well, I literally know these are the 4 people who joined my video. So give them a shout out, of course. I hope this round is gonna be great. I think. Yeah. So should I change this one? I think no. I think it's better. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Okay, what is our enemy? What is our enemy in this game? It's 0-0. No worse. Reveal their heroes! No, there's now Angela, and then Hao Yi, Wukong, Cyan, Angela, and Kaiser. Bro, we have 2 Kaiser, and yeah. Okay, now it's beginning. Okay, go.
Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
Ready? The Prince. Oh, okay, Prince of
Being in battle reminds me of my
Prince of
past
Landing.
glories.
Where are you, enemy? Show you who you are. No. Somebody is stunning me already. Can I get a backup?
Someone lend me a hand. But doubt continues to eat at your heart. First blood.
Okay, this is so hard right now for me. I'm getting a first lane right here.
An enemy has been slain.
Yeah.
Double kill. Amazing.
So yeah, I think this round is gonna be great. I think.
I could wipe this world clean with a wave of my hand.
Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Lagay ko lang.
These vermin don't deserve to dream.
Ano daw? Patay ka dyan! Patay ka dyan talaga. Ano, hindi ko pa pinatay?
The lost. An ally has been slain.
Naku, scaredy cat kaya to. Guys, kung nakita talaga, kung nandito siya talaga, hindi ko call ko siya scaredy cat.
Reminds me of my past glories.
Kasi parang ako hindi ako scaredy cat. No, scaredy cat to. Level 4 eh. Aray, sakit nun.
You thought an enemy has been slain.
Bakit
An
natin
ally
siya?
has been slain. An ally has been
Nasaan ba
slain.
yan siya? Show up ka na dyan. Bruh! Yeah. Sometimes I rage, but yeah, it keeps not relaxed for me. It's definitely annoying to me.
I could wipe
Using the
this
movement
world
wheel again
with a
will
wave of my hand.
interrupt skill 3. Then I will teleport again. His health was so close to killing him.
An ally has been slain.
Okay, not this again. Not this again. No, do not kill me again. I will kill you into pieces.
These vermin don't deserve to dream.
No. Fight.
Overlord
That was a
and
bad
tyrant
idea.
have fallen. Tower shields have been shattered. Catapults moving out.
No, you cannot. You cannot escape for me.
An enemy has been slain.
You killer. Sometimes I look like that.
An ally has been slain. Everyone around
We are falling
An
behind.
enemy has been slain.
Fokus ke towernya aja bang, kata Ilham. Tara, suntukan na lang.
Tara na! Joke lang, uy.
You thought you'd overcome the darkness, but doubt. An enemy has been slain.
Ay, naman ko na yun.
You have slain
Yes!
an enemy.
Finally, bakil. Naku. Parang mamaya pa lang yun. At saka makapapasecond lang ko. Kasi, hindi pa ako nakabalik ko. So, part mag-hack na tayo sa computer.
Executed.
Naman kung power ginagawa, interim. Okay, patay na ako agad. Ay, ito naka-disappear. Konting health na lang pa mo yan. Oh, bumabalik pa yan sa Terrell. Parang scaredy cat. Ayan talaga. Every game, lagi may scaredy cat. Naku.
These vermin don't deserve to dream. Your team has
Kaya mo pala eh,
destroyed
hindi ikaw na.
Naku, pumunta na siya dun. Wait lang, huwag mo naman i-destroy yung turret namin. I-destroy ko yung turret nyo. Okay, Raven! Ano ako? Gatagat, inaawasan ko na yung terrain ko. Agad-agad. Never miss. Wait lang.
An ally has been slain. Killing spree.
Konting health na yun. Malapit na siya pumatay. Scaredy cat po mo siya. Ako hindi ako scaredy cat.
Double kill. Your team has destroyed a turret. Unstoppable. An ally has been slain.
Tulungan mo naman ako dito.
Shut down. been destroyed.
Get dyan.
Your energy has been slain. Sorry, my bad.
No. I got 3 kills in a row. Bro, this is so annoying. Please, somebody shut down already. Shut down yun naman siya, boy. Marami na yung patay na yan. Marami na yung patay pa
I
yan.
live on, only to see everyone around me leave.
Dali ako naman luwa. Luwi.
Your energy. Being in battle reminds me of my past glories.
Ano nangyari?
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. You thought you'd overcome the darkness, but doubt continues to beat at your heart.
Protect me! Ah! Kaya natin mamamake on time kasi hindi po naka-verify. Huwag pwede mag-make ng long video.
Overlord's tyrant has been enhanced.
Kunting help na lang. Ay nako, scaredy cat na lang. Scaredy cat? Nako. Ito kaya, scaredy cat din sa akin.
Your energy. Slain.
Yan, patay ka lang sa akin. Kasi pumunta ka sa turret.
Your team has destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Nako. 10 na lang yung minutes na to. 10 na lang. 10? Ayan, 15 minutes. Ay, nako. Hindi ko na kaya manitin time. So, mag-half na ako na second. So, kukontinue
Your
yung 14
team
na
has
to,
destroyed a
kukontinue
turret.
natin mamaya. Kukontinue natin mamaya. So, part 2,
Your team
continuing
has
this
destroyed a
part.
turret. Executed.
So, kukontinue natin sa part 2.
An enemy has been slain.
But, lamo man na natin tapusin. Paano ko kaya
I
tatapusin?
live on. Only
Back. Sinabi ko yung back, huwag mo naman ako stun. Pagkano? Hindi ba sila patay?
your team has destroyed a turret.
Okay, so see you guys on the part 2. So bye! Subscribe. We will continue this on part 2. So
I
bye!
could wipe this